What's your favorite subject and why do you like it?
My favorite subject will be science because I find it very interesting. There are a lot of topics, like it's even divided into three subjects like biology, physics, and chemistry. Each subject has its own priority, and most important thing will be each subject will be very useful in our life, and each subject will be very connected to our life so that we'll use in our daily life. Biology is about learning ourselves, our humans, our surroundings, and everything. Chemistry would be learning about the matter, how things will work. And physics, it's we know all about is.
What skills are you learning in Olipso?
Currently, I am learning language and communications. Few of them are language and communications, which I am learning. Life skills, finance and entrepreneurship, data science, AI, and still few further skills are there.
What is your favorite word and why do you like that word?
My favorite word in English would be it's okay. I like it because whenever you say it's okay to someone, you get a kind of feeling like you will be satisfied and the person who you are telling it will be also satisfied. It tells the person to not repeat the mistake and they'll also be happy by listening to that word.
When I say language, what strikes your mind?
While talking about language, first most thing which strikes to my mind is English. Yes, it's general that I'm talking in English now because why English comes to my mind is it's very important in our life. Wherever we go, we can go in any state, any country, everywhere in the world. English is important first of all. It helps us to communicate with people. It helps us to interact with people. Not only while we are working, but it's not only in our future. It can help us in several ways. English.
So, English is helping you, right? Okay, now when I say English, should we treat it as a language or a subject?
We should learn English as a language, not as a subject. How we do is we treat it as a subject. We make grammar separate, vocabulary separate, writing and speaking separate, and we make our schedule like first today I'm going to learn grammar, then after vocabulary. It's not like that. Treat it as a language. First thing is we should listen how when we are speaking we should listen. Someone is speaking, we should listen. Then after we try speaking it, then after read it, then after last thing is to write it. Unfortunately, it's reverse. First they are writing, then after they are reading, then after they are speaking, lastly they are listening. So this is not the process. First process is listening, reading, speaking, and then is writing. I totally go with the LSRW method and it's helping me very much to understand any language. Not only English, it helps us to learn any other language also.
How would learning a new language would help you in the future?
Learning a new language helps us to communicate with people, which I have already told. And few more points I would like to add is English helps us to build confidence. When we know English, when we know how to speak English, we can express what is there in our mind, what are we gonna say. When we express this, we can feel satisfied. And also, while learning English, we can find many interesting things. We can learn about the world, we can learn about everyone, and we can make a good conversation first of all with everyone.
What is your aim for the future?
My aim in life is to become a software engineer. I think English would help me a lot in becoming a software engineer. In general, when we talk about becoming a software engineer, first thing would be we can earn very high salary so that I can take care of my parents.
How much would you like to earn in a month?
In a month, mostly like probably it would be 1 lakh.
Is there any software engineer at your home?
No one is software engineer. Like in my relatives, few of my sisters and few of my brother-in-laws would work as software engineer and they are well settled. They are taking care of their parents, they are building their own houses, they are having cars, they are enjoying their life. So I think it will help me also to be successful in my life.
What are you presently learning and is there any other skill you are aware about?
Presently, I'm learning language and communication, but I have a few much awareness about life skills. Few life skills are which I saw from other of my classmates, few of my seniors, is that we have to make decisions accordingly. According to the situation, we have to make the decision. That must be very provoking for the people, and it should make a sense, and it should be good for them who are making decision, and for the people who are the result of their decision.
If you get a chance to teach a life skill, which life skill would you choose and to whom would you choose to teach this?
If I would get a chance of teaching any life skills, I would teach decision making to my juniors because they are younger than me and they can understand that someone is elder than us telling us, so we have to listen. It makes awareness of them. So if I go to any seniors and tell, she is junior, what can she tell us? They will feel in this way. So I would like to teach decision making to juniors. Most of them would not be very much good at decision making. They make wrong decisions at wrong times and which is not good for them. Most importantly is situation. What is the situation? How you should make the decision is most important thing. And I would like to teach that to my juniors.
Do you like any book or have you read any stories?
I don't usually read books, but I have a favorite book called the Vikramarka book. It has several moral stories. It teach me a lot in my life. I would read it whenever I get time. Mostly I will not read, but that book is so interesting that it makes me want to read it very much. And I like that book very much.
What excites you the most about Wilipsu?
About Olipsu, which excites me the most is the quizzes. Whenever they ask a quiz, whenever I'm participating in a quiz, the questions which are asked make me feel very creative and innovative. They are very creative. So that I want to answer even more quizzes so that it will make me improve the language and also I feel excited about the language.
What motivates you to watch ILMs?
After submitting any of our projects, we'll get score and scoreboard and leadership board and we get coins also. By seeing that it will help us to gain even more interest on the topic. Like if we got extra coins, if we get more number of coins, it will feel like we are going to lead. If you're going to do this, you can achieve great success. Like that it will feel so that we can participate even more in that.
If you could describe Wilipsu in one line, what would it be?
If you ask me to describe Olipsu in a single sentence, I would say it is an amazing platform to upskill ourselves.